Let's do a Sephora haul. Okay, so first thing, I always like ordering online instead of going in person. One, because I have a little more self-control that way, but two, get free samples. And don't underestimate the samples. That's enough for multiple applications for free. Okay, first up, staple. This is a restock for me of one of my favorite lip products, Charlotte Tilbury, icon in the lip space. We all know this, in shade Kim KW. Another restock, needed a fresh beauty blender. That was the old one. So I recently tried some Patrick Ta products that I love. So I picked up this lip gloss. It had amazing reviews, even though I probably don't need another lip gloss. Who am I kidding? We always need a new lip gloss. So this is the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine in the shade She's an Influencer. Ooh, shiny. Okay, this is like legit tingling. It must be a plumping gloss. I didn't read the fine print, but it is shiny. Clearly I'm having a Patrick Ta moment. Okay, I've been wanting to get this Patrick Ta palette for a while, but have not because it's like $70 and I just felt like that was a little pricey, but the reviews are amazing, so I decided to pull the trigger and let's see. Oh, those are so good. That fly just flew into my eye on camera. Oh, what is it doing? Oh, that's so good. God, I love a neutral. Also, it has cream shadows. Okay, next up, the Pat McGrath Lip Trio in Divine Rose, liner, gloss, and a lipstick, all for like 20 bucks on sale at Sephora. This is what the lipstick looks like, really good neutral pink, and the staying power is legit. But the best part of Pat McGrath products, if you don't know, is the packaging. It comes with glitter. I also took advantage of one of their online codes. If you spent, I think, $35 or more, you can add on a trial size. I did that with this last order for this Drunk Elephant C serum. I did it on my last order as well, so this way I have two and can actually try the product for more than like a week or two, which is what I feel like you really need for skincare. Okay, last but not least, this bad boy. Oh, such good colors. I love that it has a cream, powder, and a highlighter that you can stack on top of each other or just use one. Okay, so this is all I can hold, but if you want to see these products in action, join me on my live stream every weekday.